What's up, guys? I'm in Chicago with the one and only Tom Stefaniak. And
Hi, guys. I'm also in Chicago. Probably multiple Seth Fowlers. My name's a little less common.
There's actually three. There's actually three. We're in Chicago for All-Star Weekend, and the first thing that we're gonna do is, you know, get set up in the hotel room, which I think we've pretty much done.
Pretty much set up. I got
think we're
everything.
set up, yeah.
Do you want to see what I brought? Look
What
what
do
we
you got?
got. Might break these out for the Jordan brand event.
Yeah,
Maybe.
nice. So the first thing that we're gonna do today is actually go to a New Balance event and check out some of the cool stuff that they've got going on. I believe it's a New Balance / Joe Fresh Goods Robinson event. You don't happen to have any New Balances, do you?
I don't have New Balance.
Okay, that's okay. I've actually got my pair of 992s on right now. But we're gonna hit that up first, and then we'll go to a Jordan brand event later. So I'm excited for today.
So, you know, at that time, we didn't really know what having a brand was about, you know, how big this would be, you know, now, but it just was a hobby that kind of turned into a thing where
Tom and I are now headed to a Jordan brand event, which you probably can't even hear because it's so loud outside, but I got my my Jordan 1s on. Hey, how you doing? You here for Seth? Okay, so it is the start of day 2. It's, I guess, Friday after the Jordan brand event. I actually did pick up some shoes. I'll show you guys them when I pick them up on Saturday. But before we do that, Jordan brand actually blessed me with a package that I just picked up, which is so sick. So let's find out what's inside. So if you follow my Instagram at all, you've probably seen this package already, but let me pull out this pair of sneakers and then also this awesome shirt. So first thing inside the bag, we've got this sick All-Star shirt from, I believe, Mitchell & Ness. This is awesome. Mitchell & Ness is a Philly brand, so gotta give some love to that. That's so sick. Mitchell & Ness Nike, that's awesome. And then, of course, you gotta have some Chicago 3s. Beautiful. The Air Jordan 3s in this beautiful Chicago colorway. These are awesome. If you guys haven't seen the review on my channel, make sure to check it out. There'll be a link at the top of the screen. But not mad to double up. I'm stoked on these. But with all that out of the way, me and Tom are gonna hit up the city.
Word.
Word.
True.
Yeah, true.
Correct.
Okay, so as we expected, Chicago's cold as hell.
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
It's awful.
Huge lines outside all the sneaker stores.
And that's what I was getting.
So
to.
we didn't go in.
No, we didn't do anything yet. We also didn't get anything on the sneakers pass too, which was expected. But now I think we're gonna go to round 2 and some other spots, meet up with some other YouTubers, and hopefully make something.
I'm just looking forward to getting inside an Uber that's not freezing.
Me too. I actually should check where the Uber is. Hold on. So I'm trying the Beyond Burger for the first time. I'm really excited. I've never tried a non-meat burger. Here it is, Beyond Burger. The plant-based burger. I gotta say, smell-wise, it doesn't smell exactly the same. It smells different.
Yeah. I'm not gonna smell your food personally.
I'd rather you didn't, but I can smell it from here. It smells different. It's all right. So we're in round 2 Chicago right now, and I happen to find a pair of these 85s in my size. Now, I just bought a pair. I don't know if I said it in the vlog earlier, but I bought a pair in the size 10.5 at the Jordan brand event. Obviously, it doesn't fit. So I think I found the pair that I'm gonna go with, and then I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. What a great way to start the morning. Awesome. So great. Purchase failed. That's the best. That means I got them and then my card didn't go through. So that's awesome. I even have my off-white shirt on too. As you guys can tell, this is the third day we've been in All-Star Weekend if you've been keeping track. I know I haven't filmed very much over the last couple days just because it's been crazy. It's been nuts. But to fill you guys in on basically what's been going on, obviously on Thursday we went to the New Balance event and the Jordan Brand event. And at that Jordan Brand event, we actually got the chance to pick up a pair of sneakers. Now, unfortunately, a lot of the pairs that we wanted were gone. We were both able to grab a pair of the Bread Varsity 85 Air Jordan 1 High, whatever the hell they're called. But they weren't in our size. I got a size 10.5. Tom got a size 11. But yesterday, when we were just walking around the city, I happened to pick up a pair in a size 8.5. Now I've got a size 10.5 and a size 8.5. This one I can actually wear, so this is the pair I'm gonna be keeping. I might actually keep the 10.5 too, or maybe see if I can trade it for a size 9. I'm not sure exactly what to do with it yet, but you know, I've got 2 pairs now, so far, somewhat successful All-Star Weekend. Although I did buy this pair for resale, so not the most successful in the world. But really quick, to drop an overview before I actually drop the review when I get back to Philly, we've got the Air Jordan 1 High 85 in the Varsity Red, or Reverse Bread colorway. I don't really get the whole Reverse Bread colorway naming because it's not really that. The whole back of the sneaker is a bread, and then the front of the sneaker, I guess you can sort of say that a little bit, but I don't know, it doesn't really matter. But the sneaker itself comes in the OG cut, so you've got a much straighter heel area. The actual fit of the shoe itself is a little bit slimmer, so it fits a little bit smaller than a standard pair of Air Jordan 1s, which is a little bit disappointing, but again, true to the OG. The leather itself is also not tumbled at all. It's very close to the original. It's very smooth. You might think that it doesn't feel incredibly high quality, but it's not bad at all, and it smells great. So I'm really excited about this pair of sneakers. Like I said, there will be a review dropping very, very soon. But overall, it's an awesome sneaker, and I'm really excited to drop that review. But today is the last full day we have in Chicago, and I think we have one goal in mind, and that goal is to get Yeezys and Off-Whites. Is that true?
Mainly the Yeezys.
Mainly the Yeezys.
Like the Off-Whites released everywhere.
That's true.
But the Yeezys are here.
Yeezys are just here. So what we're gonna do is walk around the city today and try and find pairs of Yeezys and Off-White 5s. And we may have to pay resale, but at the end of the day, it's our job. We gotta do that. You know, I say that to make myself feel better, but it doesn't. I wasn't able to film it yesterday because we couldn't find him, but apparently Kanye was driving around in those like tank truck things that he used in that one music video with his dad in Wyoming. But Kanye was driving around Chicago in those tanks handing out pairs of Quantums, which I didn't even think were gonna drop, let alone during All-Star Weekend. So we missed out on those. Apparently he was giving them out for free, and you had to take off the pair of shoes that you were wearing and give them to him or his bodyguard or whoever, but they wouldn't take certain shoes. They would only take hyped up sneakers. So in the videos that I saw, there was only people giving like Fear of Gods. But Tom and I have both entered raffles to win at Adidas and at Foot Locker and places like that because it's only exclusive to Chicago right now. So if we want them, we have to win them here. So hopefully we can either find a pair for resale, win a raffle, and if we do either of those things, we'll probably have to change our flight so we can pick them up tomorrow.
Troy Pistons.
Before we start our hunt for the Yeezys, we are actually going to go pick up our pairs of Air Jordan 1s from the Jordan Brand event because we were able to buy them on Thursday night but not pick them up until today, Saturday. So we have to go do that. I've heard it's crazy and a mess over there, so hopefully our badges get us back in and see what happens.
Vlogging on his. Why are you vlogging on your phone? You have a $6,000 camera in your backpack.
It's easier.
So it's the day before we leave, and I've been trying to pack, and I've realized there's no way in hell I'm getting these shoe boxes and then possibly a Yeezy box tomorrow into my carry-on luggage. So we have to go to Macy's to buy a suitcase. It's like such a first world problem. It's making me sick, but I've got the 2 Jordan 1s in here. I've got my 3s box, which you can actually disassemble very easily and put back together. So that's not a problem. But I need a suitcase. To Macy's.
To Macy's. So this is one thing I would change about Manhattan. If I could change one thing about Manhattan, I would have one train line, like maybe the AC&E run above ground. I know they go above ground in Harlem, but there's no like super dense urban populated place with the train above ground, and it looks so freaking cool.
They have it in Brooklyn.
Yeah, but not like where tall buildings are in Brooklyn, is my point. It's a cool dynamic.
Okay, so we're at Target, not Macy's. We were able to find a Target that was closer, and I'm stuck between a $110 hard shell and a $75 soft case. I don't know what to do. Tom, what should I do?
I don't know, man. It's your money. You want to see something sick?
No, I don't want to see you do anything stupid with this. It's not going to support you, dude. Well, I'm not buying that one now. It's ridiculous. It is the start of the final day. This vlog has been disjointed as hell. I'm gonna be honest.
This has been, like, Seth has turned on the camera 3 times a day for the past 4 days, and this is all going to be in the same video.
It's all gonna be in the same video. It's crazy. But today is the last day we're here, like I said in the previous video, or maybe I didn't. I don't remember at this point. It's been too much of just a mix-up in my head. But today we actually decided to move our flights back and try and find the Yeezy Quantums, which we couldn't find yesterday, and the Off-White 5s. Because they dropped yesterday. So Tom is buying a pair of Off-White 5s. I'm buying a pair of Yeezy Quantums.
I paid $400 to change my flight.
Oh yeah, he did do that. I just used miles. I hate that this trip has just become like searching for shoes, but unfortunately that's what it's become.
It's been fun.
It's been a blast. It's been a really good time. Huge thank you to New Balance for having us out. Huge thank you to Jordan Brand for having us out at the event. It was a really great experience.
It was so much fun.
It's gonna be sad leaving Chicago because Chicago really is a beautiful city. You can't really see much of it outside, but
Can't even front.
Can't even front. So guys, we are, I guess, at the Bean.
The Bean. It's called Cloudgate actually, and it's supposed to like represent like the connection between space and here, or some portal to space in here, which is why it's so reflective. Looks very futuristic, except it just coincidentally happens to be shaped as a bean, so it's colloquially known as the Bean, but the official artist's name is Cloudgate. Can we flash like the
That was surprisingly informative. I didn't expect that at all. I was expecting something ridiculous, but I'm really happy that's what came out of your mouth.
I can make something else come out.
No, that's fine. That's great. You already ruined it. The quest has finally ended. We think we found someone with the pair.
Hey, don't get ahead of ourselves yet, Seth.
Yeah.
Someone has told us they would like to sell you a pair.
That's
we
true.
don't know that he has them. He seems like a reputable, fine young gentleman, but could be pulling a fast one on us.
He could be. I think it's gonna be good. I'm excited. I'm really excited to see this pair. I haven't seen a pair in hand. I've been with people who have had pairs, but I still have yet to see it in hand, so I'm excited. Success.
Yeah!
We did it.
Hell yeah. I told you to trust that guy. I don't know what you were talking about.
Straight to foot. I can't believe I got them. I was looking for them for, what, 3 days?
I mean, realistically, Seth, we weren't really looking for them until yesterday, and you got them this afternoon. Maybe 28 hours. Okay. Absolute max.
No, but I'm really excited about these shoes, guys. Make sure to stay tuned because there will be a review probably tomorrow. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.